I think today it's a tough game for us. Mm, our kickoff, our beginning of the game was not too bad. It was a good balance between the balls and close. I think we have had the first chances to score in this game, and when they scored their first goal, they took confidence, and for us it was a little the contrary. We on about our mind, and we lost the 25 last minute before the half time. We lost a lot of duels, battles, and we lost the balance in our team with two space between our lines. It was important to come back in the second half with a good reaction. We tried to make some tactical change, but after 5 minutes, it was I think a scenario catastrophe in French. I don't know, it's the same in England. But with all the situation, the injury from Didi, the sending off, the penalty, and with the change, we didn't have a solution to give a better balance in the team, and we tried to come back in the game without the good balance, and we conceded 3 goals in the last 10 minutes. It's a scenario catastrophe and bad things for us, and yeah, it's difficult to accept.
Were you disappointed by how your players fell apart at the end?
I think at the end we didn't have enough balance of the team because all the change were made, and after it was difficult to find with Silva, for example, Diabaté, Mahrez, midfield, and to give a good balance on the team. But I think we didn't deserve this score because we tried in the second half to have a good reaction, and I agree. First half is at the end of the first half, it was not enough about our desire, about our battles, duels. But after second half, the player tried to give their best in difficult situation about all these things. I think also refereeing decision didn't favor us in this moment, and it was a little harsh for us. Just I hope also it's not a serious injury to Ndidi, and he could make his World Cup. But all this scenario was bad today for us.
What is the injury to Ndidi? Is his World Cup in danger?
We will see his hamstring injury. I hope it's not serious, of course, because it's an important moment. And my first thing is about Wilfried.
Have you any complaints about the sending off?
I think it's harsh. When I watched the replay. It's difficult because it's a battle. The first touch is the opponent take the arm from Albrighton. After Albrighton touch, after giving the ball, he touches the player. But I think it's a battle. It's a duel, and to whistle this fall was harsh. And the refereeing decision about the penalty also, it's just a little contact, but all these things give more amplitude. Plus d'amplitude.
More wideness,
Wideness?
rather than context.
Yeah, I think it was a context this afternoon with all different things against us, all scenario against us today, of
Well,
course.
You've only won 4 games in 18 matches. You've just been hammered by 5 goals from the side that's struggling against relegation. Do you feel under pressure?
It's not my concern in this moment. It's not the moment to speak about this. My first feeling in this moment is to stay around and near my player and together to have the good reaction, the good response the next game. It's just this. After speculation about me, about my future, it's not important and it's not the moment.
Do you feel you have support of your players?
I think in this situation where we are together, our full staff, player, we are together in this moment. It's a difficult moment, but it's important to give the good response together. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough and difficult today, but we are good professional, and I'm confident in my squad to have the good response next game.
Guys, last one, then we're going to do Mondays.
You all brought Wes Morgan back in and replaced Dragovic, who performed well, kept a clean sheet. What was the reasoning behind bringing Wes back in?
I said when Dragovic played last game, it was to give opportunity to him to play and also to give a rest to Wes. Last game, all people asking me why Wes Morgan didn't play now, why Dragovic didn't play. I think we have three good centre back, and it's important to concern and to keep them with a good focus and concentration until the end of the season. We have to play 3 games. It's important. All the squad feels they can play and they can give their best for the last game together. And we made good things this season. It's a disappointment. It's a shame. The last game without give good success to stay in the top half of the table. I think we deserve this, but it's important now to finish strongly these 3 games and together to have a good reaction.
Thank you.